These are 4 PC building tips that you need to know. Investing in a proper toolkit will save you so much time. Having the right sizes and fitting types when working on your PC or even if you're maintaining your consoles. I like this one from iFixit. And number 2, stop overthinking your thermal paste patterns. A cross or a dot has equal coverage and also temperatures. So do whatever makes you happy, not what some guy says on Reddit. After installing your RAM sticks, make sure you check your RAM profiles inside the BIOS and enable XMP for the fastest speeds. And finally, at number 4, disable all of the startup apps that you don't use or need. Your system will run faster and you're not wasting time closing them constantly. Also, if everybody watching these videos subscribes to the channel, we'd have over 3 million subscribers, so let's try and make it happen.